In South America, there is a mountain that feels like another planet. Mount Roraima, also known as Tepuis Roraima, is a flat-topped plateau rising 2,800 meters above the surrounding jungle. Its walls are so vertical that for centuries it was believed to be impossible to reach. But at the top, there is no jungle. There is another world, an ecosystem isolated for millions of years, home to species that exist nowhere else on Earth. This landscape, with its endless waterfalls and rain-sculpted rocks, inspired Arthur Conan Doyle to write The Lost World, a place where reality feels suspended and every corner hides biological secrets that have survived since the beginning of life.
Subscribe for more, and remember, now you know.